Now at 5.
We do anticipate to see more positive cases in the state of Florida, and we have taken additional actions to help contain the virus's spread.
Right now, state leaders are working to control the spread of the coronavirus in our state. Tonight, 100 confirmed cases of coronavirus in the U.S., with 2 people testing positive here in Florida, one in Hillsborough County, the other in Manatee. Now, to add some perspective to the number of cases, let's compare that to the flu. In the last 2 weeks, there have been at least a dozen cases of the flu in Florida.
And you know, there's a lot of information out there about the virus right now. So tonight we have what's happening here and across the whole state.
That's right. Cara Bailey has a look at how the city of Tallahassee and county leaders are working together to make sure that they are prepared.
Well, we start with our team coverage with FORREST SAUNDERS, and FORREST lawmakers taking this very seriously.
Yeah, I can tell you this, out here at the Capitol, the way that we are kind of quantifying how serious lawmakers are taking this is that they're not shaking hands. We ran into a number of them today that are either bumping fists or just rubbing elbows, trying to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. As Florida declares a health emergency and faces a potential widespread outbreak of COVID-19, lawmakers watch and wait.
This is a real crisis in our country.
Health Policy Vice Chair Senator Lori Berman telling us it's lucky session is gavelled in. If the threat worsens, she says, legislators will move fast, filing policy and pushing forward funding to help.
We were in session when the Stoneman Douglas event happened, and we were able to respond really quickly, and I'm hoping that the same thing will happen with coronavirus.
Senator Jose Rodriguez, one of the first to act. He's filed a new bill amendment requiring the state, during an infectious outbreak, disclose how many people are being tested and in what counties.
We should not have a situation where members of the public and community leaders are filling in the blanks.
The move coming after the governor briefly withheld COVID testing data over privacy concerns, later releasing them following public outcry.
We want to make it absolutely clear the Department of Health is focused on public health.
Outside the State House, trade groups telling business members to take the virus seriously.
Don't work sick. Don't allow your employees to work sick.
Leaders with the Restaurant and Lodging Association also reminding tourists the state is ready for spring break, urging visitors to keep their plans.
We, with the rest of the business world, are watching, but right now there's no domestic travel restrictions, so Florida is open for business.
Now, keeping tourism vital is going to be vital and very important for the state of Florida. So what we have here is that some predict this situation is actually going to help Visit Florida, which is the state's tourism bureau. That is a big question right now for lawmakers because they're considering cutting funding for that program. So seeing how important tourism is might keep that organization afloat.
All right, so FORREST, all that being said, what's the main message state leaders hope will stick with communities tonight?
Well, I can tell you this, what lawmakers are telling us and telling their constituents is to use the government's website. That's the Florida Health Department's website for all the most up-to-date information on the coronavirus. You can head there by just going to floridahealth.org to get the latest information. Excuse me, I should say floridahealth.gov to get the latest information on the coronavirus.
All right, FORREST SAUNDERS in the Capitol, FORREST. Thank you, FORREST.